to a researcher at Cambridge University, it doesn't matter what order the letters in a word are. The only thing that matters is that the first and last letter are in the right place. For example, try this. If you read that I love Shawn Mendes more than Martha loves bacon, you were correct. Also, for those of you who are wondering, Martha is my dog, not an alter ego. Here's another one. A hoe never gets cold. Iconic words from an icon herself, Miss Cardi B. It's unclear why our brains can read this stuff, but researchers think that it might be because we read words as a whole rather than as individual letters. Also, context between words is really important. A cognitive neuroscientist named Marta Kutas? Anyway, she suspects that you didn't get every word right just from knowing the word that came before it. You automatically and subconsciously went back and filled in any gaps in your knowledge based on subsequent context, or the words that came later. We can do this for words that contain not only scrambled letters, but also scrambled numbers, like this.
But my point is that everybody naps.
A 2007 study by cognitive scientists in Spain found that reading passages where letters have been replaced by numbers barely activates the area of your brain where numbers are represented. The letter-like appearance of numbers, as well as their context, actually has a stronger influence in our brain than their actual status as numbers. Why do we care? What these findings suggest is that our visual input operates on a top-down feedback mechanism. Basically, our subconscious tells our sensory processors what to see, which is crazy.
Okay.
As a rational human being, I'd like to think that I see the world as it really is. But what this research got too excited there for a second. But what this research suggests is that our own senses are biased. Before we even consciously process information, our brain has already edited it and normalized it into something that we've been trained to expect. I guess it's just a humbling reminder that the world as we experience it isn't necessarily a reflection of the world as it is. What we see is unique to who we are, which I think is a good thing. I mean, can you imagine how boring Twitter would be if everyone agreed all the time? Who would Kanye rant about?
I just told you who I thought I was, a god.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'll see you guys next week. Until then, work hard, make mistakes, and of course, stay curious. Bye.
It feels good.